Audi A8 is coming. ACC autopilot is not working. I get like this fault code. Before it was, I think, this one 00862. Now I have connected external antenna like this. What I have, and now try to clear faults and see what is left. Okay, now is faults disappeared, and let's see what it says. Not available. I think it's because of GPS antenna is not working. Electrical fault in circuit antenna. Okay, it is like this. Maybe this another type antenna is not fit. So now I'm gonna connect it back. It will be very hard to show how it looks, but I'm disconnecting here and connect it back in this blue connector down there. I'm gonna do without camera. So I have connected it back, and let's go see what we have fault code now. Start car. One fault. Go back and go here, and we have two faults. If we have two, it's good. If it's okay, we go back. Something stuck in my program. Yes, not responding. Okay, wait. So now waked up, and let's go in this one. And how much faults we have? We have two. It means electrical fault is intermittent, but it's come GPS antenna is open circuit. It means antenna is bad. Okay, so my universal antenna is not fit. It means need change antenna. Now I try unscrew there one bolt, some Torx 27 or something, and take out antenna. Now using like no light. It's like this. Tool. I open that screw and take out antenna. Before I must remove that cover to lay down little ceiling. Have removed those two and one screw. This one. And now can take out no, it's not so easy. Okay, let's try one more time. Yes, it was holding those clips, this and this. And here is missing one screw. Somebody have do something before here. And yes, antenna have a lot of moisture, water. Those is cracked. So problem is here. Part number where to find, it's not visible now. So decide to try to buy a new one. I opened those screws, but it's not possible to take out. Maybe solder it. Have disassembled wet plate, desolder at 1, 2, 3 points, and after it sticks out, and there found many rust, and 2 resistors was suspicious. Delivered from one man, have changed them, and now gonna see what we will have. Okay. Yes. Antenna is connected. Turn ignition on. Ignition is on. Let's go. And check here. Intermittent. It's still problem. Antenna not help. What? Now it's okay. Let's check again. Yes, antenna is bad. Not good, not helped. Now just for fun, I have Tesla GPS antenna and just plugged it in and all works. No fault, nothing, GPS recognize. So in worst case you can buy this Tesla plate GPS module and put it here and cover under roof, and that's it. But now I have ordered another antenna, so try to change and see how it works. Another antenna. Now installing it. Always works. Have checked, no fault codes. Cruise control can turn on. So reassemble everything and finish. Car have again cruise control.